In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read Google Analytics, and we'll get it done in just 5 minutes. If you've ever found yourself puzzled by data and metrics, or if you're ready to deep dive into your website's performance, then you're in the right place. First off, let's head to the analytics tools and solutions for your business, which you can find over on Google Analytics' main site. This is your primary hub for all things analytics. You might wonder why Google Analytics is so important. Simply put, it allows you to understand the ins and outs of your website traffic and helps you make informed decisions about where to focus your marketing efforts. Once you are there, the next step is to sign into your analytics account. If this is your first time, you'll need to set up an account, but today I'm assuming you already have it set up. Click on Sign In and select Analytics from the drop-down menu. This will get you logged in and ready to start navigating through the data. After successfully signing in, you will find yourself on the Google Analytics home. This is essentially the dashboard where you can see an overview of your website's performance metrics. Here you'll spot key figures such as user numbers, bounce rates, and session durations. It's a lot to take in, but don't worry, you'll get familiar with the essential metrics as you keep using it. Next, let's dive into more detailed data. Look for the Reports tab in the left-hand menu. Clicking here opens up a treasure trove of information. Reports are where Google Analytics shines, providing comprehensive insights into who your audience is, where they're coming from, and what they're doing on your site. It's like having your very own online business report card. Now, within Reports, you want to select Report Snapshot. This snapshot offers a quick view of the most significant metrics and dimensions that are relevant to your website's performance right now. Use this snapshot to identify any immediate trends or issues that need your attention, such as sudden spikes in traffic or drops in user engagement. Each of these sections we've walked through today is equipped with visual aids and graphs that make interpreting data so much easier. If you're ever unsure about what a specific term means or what a graph indicates, hover over the question mark icons for more detailed explanations. Remember, the goal of using Google Analytics is not just to collect data, but to translate it into actionable insights that can enhance your website's performance and ultimately your business success. As you become more comfortable with these tools, you'll find they are indispensable in making strategic decisions based on concrete evidence. That's it for this quick guide on reading Google Analytics. With a little practice, you'll be turning data into meaningful strategies in no time. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.